Hi there, good morning. I'd just like to share with you a new blog that I'm doing right now about Happy Wife, Happy Life. Actually, I just got a reflection na tayong mga kalalakihan, especially husband, we have a big role to play, especially with our relationship with our wife. Now, we should take care of our wife. That should be our priority because God ordained and called us to be the protector, to be the one taking care of the needs, not only of family, financial needs, but also the mental, emotional, and spiritual needs of the family. But my question is to you today, if you're a husband watching this video right now, is how much do you really love your wife? Mahal na mahal mo ba ang asawa mo hanggang ngayon? Siya lang ba ang talagang pinakamagandang babae sa buong mundo at nag-iisang prinsesa ng inyong puso? Naalala mo ba nung nililigawan mo pa yung ang asawa mo or misis mo? Nung kayo ay ika nga gaano kasigasig na nanliligaw ka at na pinupursigi mo na makuha mo ang kanyang puso. Naalala mo rin ba yung pinangako natin na o pinangako mo na binitawan mo na sinasabi mo ay hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan? I can still remember when I was pursuing my wife, and just to give you a little bit background of our encounter with my wife is actually some people say na love at first sight sila, but on my case na love at first sound ako. What do you mean by love at first sound? She was singing at church during that time, and then I got fascinated with her ikang angelic voice, and then napalingon ako at napatanong ako, who is she? Sino ba talaga? Sino ba yung kumakantang yan? And then from there on, and syempre, the rest is history. Hindi ko na siya tinamtanan hanggat di kami talaga nagkakilala, naging magkaibigan, and then from magkaibigan, doon na nga napunta. We became very close friends during that time. We were very involved in our church ministry, and then from there, we got to know each other. At ika nga, during that time, I can still remember na ginagawa ko talaga lahat ng effort pa para ika nga makuha ang kanyang attention at makuha ang kanyang loob. Ngayon, tatanungin naman kita, no? Ever since na kayo ay kinasal ng asawa mo, anong pagbabago ang nangyayari na? Nung kayo ay girlfriend ba, compare sa asawa nyo, mas masigasig ba ang inyong pagsasamahan or medyo nanlalamig na ng konti? At kung ito lang, meron lang akong aaminin po sa inyo, hindi maiiwasan ang mga pagkakataon na ang feelings mo ay mababawasan, lalo na in terms of your love and affection towards your husband or your wife. Kung nawawala, normal lang yun. Oo, hindi pwedeng consistent parati. Hindi pwedeng everyday ay positive. Minsan talaga ay medyo may negative. Lalo na kung may nagawa siya o nasabi siya na hindi mo kagustuhan. But one thing that I need you to understand ay ang pagmamahal. When it comes to pagmamahal, it's never only about feelings.